Weekend between the planets. Hey there, stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, astronomer from the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida. We're here to help you find your way around the sky tonight. Hey Dean, what's the two largest planets in our solar system?
Easy. Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter is a whopping 88,000 miles in diameter, while Saturn's rings span about 200,000 miles from tip to tip. Compared to the Earth, they are both humongous planets.
So you'd be excited to know that Jupiter and Saturn are in the perfect spots to see this week after dark.
Awesome. And I heard a rumor that they will have some company.
That's right. The waxing moon will be passing by Jupiter and then Saturn Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
What are we talking about? Let's show you. Okay, we have our skies set up for Thursday, August 8th at around 10 p.m. facing south. Finding the planets Jupiter and Saturn right now are a piece of cake. And the waxing gibbous moon over there can help too.
Jupiter is easy to find since it's so big and bright. Just look for the brightest star at night and you found it. Jupiter is over 430 million miles away, but is still so unbelievably bright that you can't miss it.
Saturn is a little tougher to identify, but there it is, about 30 degrees to the left of Jupiter. It's less than half as bright as Jupiter because it's twice as far away, about 850 million miles.
So, even though Jupiter and Saturn look relatively close together, they're still hundreds of millions of miles apart. Let's fly into each planet for a closer look. If you could fly to Jupiter like the Galileo spacecraft did, this is what it would look like.
Wow, what a view! What you're seeing is the cloud tops and weather on Jupiter. The swirling clouds form huge stripes, white ovals, and of course, the Great Red Spot.
The Great Red Spot is a hurricane the size of two Earths that's been raging for over 140 years.
But the red spot's fury might be winding down. Astronomers have noticed that it is shrinking, and this year showed signs of breaking up. Who knows how long it will last, so try to see it in a telescope this summer. On we go to Saturn, probably the most breathtakingly beautiful planet ever. This is what it would look like if you hitched a ride on the Cassini spacecraft.
Behold the rings which encircle the planet at various distances. They're not just one or two rings, but hundreds or even thousands of them.
Now, when I was a kid, I told my teacher that someday I would fly to Saturn and ride my bike around the rings.
Aw, that's so cute.
I know, it's impossible.
Yep, although they look like a solid road, those rings are made of individual pieces of rock and ice. They're like teeny tiny little moons. You'd be better served bringing a pogo stick instead of a bike.
One can always dream.
So, bringing Dean back to Earth, let's advance our time to Friday night, August 9th. Did you see that?
Wow, the moon cozied up next to Jupiter. This conjunction will make quite a sight on Friday night.
You know, I love a good conjunction, but wait, there's more. On Saturday night, the moon continues on its way and sits between the two giant planets.
That will make a terrific sight.
And finally, on the night of Sunday, August 11th, the moon comes into conjunction with the ringed planet Saturn.
Awesome. This will be quite the weekend for planet and moon gazing. If you want to add a little extra fun to it, back on August 9th, point binoculars at the moon and Jupiter, and you may be able to see them both at the same time.
And try aiming a telescope at Jupiter anytime to see its four moons as well as Saturn to view its spectacular rings. So there you have it, a great weekend to see Jupiter, Saturn, and the moon.
Look for the moon next to Jupiter on Friday night, the moon between the planets on Saturday night, and the moon in conjunction with Saturn on Sunday night.
It's an amazing universe and it's all there when you keep looking up.